All right, let's do the basic hands-on or the beginner hands-on for shared compute. We need to go to compute here. Next, we need to create compute. I'll click on create compute here. Now under the policy, we'll find shared compute. Let's click on it. So basically, shared compute allows multiple users share the same compute. It is useful for team projects, as the name suggests, shared compute, right? Then we have the runtime Databricks version, which we can select. For now, we are good with 7.17.3 LTS. Then we have the worker type. So we got to keep in mind the price here, 14 to 17 dBu per hour. The more we go, like if we select this, and we can see the price 36 to 132, it shot up. So depending upon our workload, we need to select the proper worker type so that our worker type is fast enough to perform our daily job. And here it will give you the summary as well. So how much minimum or maximum we need. So minimum should be basically 1, and maximum if I do again 1. So we can configure as per our needs, but please note that the amount we increase, it will straight away affect the price. So once looks good, we'll keep everything as default. I'll click on create here. Now if we check on the compute, we'll be finding our shared compute. The state is spinning and it will be ready in a while. So that's what it goes, the basics of shared compute to begin with. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lecture.